You might feel a bit overwhelmed by the notion of photography being a business and me stressing upon you the idea of you building a business. You might even be saying to yourself, I just want to be a photographer and take great photos. What is this guy talking about? Well, there's no need to be overwhelmed, but by now you should understand completely there's more to photography than owning a camera and taking cool photos. Truly, I feel like I work more now than when I worked with the Olympic Games, and that really is saying something. My best advice to you right now is just take a deep breath and keep everything simple in your mind. Don't overthink anything and don't complicate anything that we've covered. It is possible I'm the king of keeping things simple. And I might just do a class on this. But do keep in mind, I'm available to answer any questions you may have. What I am is your online mentor and through this whole process. And my goal is to help you achieve success. I want you to come back after this course is finished and share the successes that you are enjoying. And I really can't wait for that moment.